Welcome back, gardeners! Today we're going to talk about one of the most rewarding parts of growing romaine lettuce, harvesting. I'll show you how and when to harvest to get the best yield and quality, and share tips on how to keep your plants producing longer. Romaine lettuce is ready to harvest when the heads are full and the outer leaves are crisp and firm. Typically, this is about 60 to 70 days after planting. For the best flavor and texture, harvest before the leaves start to yellow or the plant begins to bolt. To maximize your yield, cut the entire head just above the soil line with a sharp knife. For those who want continuous production, you can also harvest by cutting just the outer leaves, leaving the inner leaves and the plant's core intact. This method allows the plant to keep growing and producing new leaves. Harvest your romaine lettuce early in the morning when the leaves are crisp and full of moisture. Be sure to use clean, sharp tools to make clean cuts and avoid damaging the plant. After harvesting, rinse the leaves in cool water and store them in the refrigerator to maintain freshness. With these harvesting tips, you'll enjoy fresh, crisp romaine lettuce that's packed with flavor. Stay tuned for more gardening tips, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more advice. Happy harvesting!